Hey guys, Wellesley here from My-Island-Jamaica.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today I'm actually in the hills in my neck of the woods where I'm from. I was just passing through and I said, you know what, I probably need to just share this with you. Some time ago I mentioned that there was an article I wrote about surviving in Jamaica. It's on my website, Surviving in Jamaica. It spoke to the fact that Jamaica was listed as one of the 20 countries to survive during and after a pandemic. I made a big deal about it, but I also reflected on the fact that where of my own growing up and how my parents, great-grandparents, great-great-grandparents lived, how they survived pre, during and after emancipation in the hills of Westmoreland, you know. And I spoke about food, you know, how they sustain themselves, food, entertainment during that time, you know, how grandparents were integral in culturing, so to speak, children, the entire community. I spoke about entertainment, food, I mentioned already. Also water. One of the things I mentioned too was the fact that we had a spring. We had a spring that whenever it's dry season, we always get water from the spring, and that has been running for centuries. Now I wanted to share with you that actually I was just passing and I said, you know what, I'm gonna stop and show you. This now is actually our little spring here. Alright. Now a lot has changed. This is not quite how it looked in the past. It was just really, there was behind this area here was a big tree, a large tree. I'm not sure what it was, but it was under the root that the water emanated from. Now the tree is no longer here. It's somewhere behind here, right? You can see the banana trees there, right? The tree is no longer there, but the water is still running from the root of the tree. And this has been not just 10, 20, 50, 100 years, centuries. Now they have, I said, fixed up the space a little bit. They have surrounded it. As you can see, it's meshed and zinc and so on, you know, to preserve it and ensure, I guess, less intrusion. But they have also created like pipes and catchment areas. You'll notice. All right, so this area here, you know, there's piping here, and then there's a catchment area here where water apparently is stored, right? And then they've made some little areas where local people can wash and stuff if they wish. All right, the water is running there to the pipes. It's not there. Obviously some more work needs to be done on it, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like. And this is where, you know, the pipe where the water would come out. There's somebody plugged it here. Alright, that's it. That's the water. Fresh, organic stuff. And it's, oh man, it's cool like ice. Really cool. So this is coming all straight from the earth, my friend. I just wanted to share it with you and to say, number one, it's still standing. This river, this spring is still standing for perhaps hundreds or thousands of years. And the fact that we have so much to be thankful for, you know, so much to be thankful for. So again, I just wanted to share that with you in relation to that particular article while I was passing here. So thank you again for watching, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button to stay updated on the real Jamaica, on the real Jamaica. This is indeed the real Jamaica, my friend. All right.